Hi to everyone from B1 Engineering Placements. Today we are going to discuss about Wipro question paper 17 for Wipro Elite NLTH 2021. Already some question papers already we solved up to 16 question papers we solved on this aptitude and reasoning, and also we solved 2 question papers on coding. So all these question papers are very important for Wipro Elite NLTH 2021. Please watch all my videos and share my videos. Subscribe my channel. These are useful to crack the job in Wipro Elite NLTH 2021. Today we are going to discuss about this question paper 17. In this question paper, first we are going to discuss about aptitude questions. See that aptitude questions. That first question is the remainder when divided by the remainder when 9 power 27 is divided by 5 is. Now here we see 9 power 27. First here already you know 9 cube value. 9 cube value is 729. Last digit is 9. So 9 power 27 can be written as 9 cube whole power 9. So we get last digit value is 9. So now whenever dividing with 5, this value, last digit value, 9 by 5, we get remainder value is 4. So 4 is the right answer. Option number A is the right answer. Next question. How many words can be formed from the letters of the word education such that vowels occupy odd positions? So in this education, totally 9 letters is there. So that means we are arranging in 9 places all these letters. So in odd places, we arrange this vowels. Vowels is E, A, I, O, U. Total 5 is there. So in this odd places, first, third, fifth, seventh, ninth, 5 odd places there. In 5 odd places, this we arrange these 5 vowels in 5 factorial ways. 5 factorial into remaining 4 letters is there. That 4 letters are consonants. We arrange here. We have 4 places for these 4 consonants. So 4 in 4 places we arrange in 4 factorial ways. 5 factorial is 120. 4 factorial is 24. 12 4 is 48. 12 2 is 24. Plus 4, 28. Here 1 0 is there. We write that 0. 2880. So option number B is the right answer. Next question. A team of 30 men is supplied to do a work in 37 days. After 25 days, 5 more men were employed and the work was finished 1 day earlier. How many days would it have been delayed if 5 more men were not employed? Actually, 30 men, they complete that work in 37 days. But here we're talking about after 25 days. So 25 days were done by the 30 men. So remaining work for 12 days is there. At that time, 5 members will be joined. So 35 members is there now. So 12 days work is there. They complete in 12 days. Now the question is, the same work, this 30 members, previous 30 members is there. That 30 members complete in how many days? That is the question. So here members decreases means automatically this value increases. One value decreases, one value increases means this is indirect proportion. In indirect proportion rule is first product equal to 35 into 12 equal to second product value. 5 6 ja, 5 7 ja, 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja, 7 2 ja, 14 days it takes. So actually it takes 12 days. How many more days it takes? 2 days. 12 plus 2, 14. 2 days more days taken by these 30 members whenever that 5 members are not joined. Next. What is the last digit of 76 power 4 minus 84 power 7 whole power 43? Now, in this 76 power 4, 6 is the last digit. So 6 square is 36 into 6, 216 into 6, 6 last digit value is 6. Here 84, 4 is the last digit, 4, 4 is 16, 16 into 16 to 56. 4, 4 is 16, 16 4 is 64, 64 into 4, 216, last digit is 6. Now here the question is 76 power 4 minus 84 power 7. Here 4, 7 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4, 4 is 16. Last digit is 6. 6, 4 is 24. Last digit is 4. 4, 4 is 16. Last digit is 6. 6, 4 is 24. 24. 24 into 4. 4, 4 is 16. 16, 16 means 6. 6, 4 is 24. That means last digit is 4. So here this value minus this value is 2. 6 minus 4 value is 2 power 43. So 2 power 10 whole power 4 into 2 cube. Two power 10 whole power 4. This is, I think, almost all this last digit value is 0. Now this value is 2 power 8. 2 cube value is 8. So last digit value is 8 we get. So option number D is the right answer. Next, the difference between a 2-digit number and the number obtained by interchanging the digits is 36. What is the difference between the sum and difference of the digits of the number if the ratio between the digits of the number is 2:1? Now here 10x plus y is the 2-digit number. 2-digit number generally in the form of 23. That means 2 into 10 plus 3. This is 2 is in 10 digits. This is 1 digit. So here 2 into 10 into is 2 in place of 2 write x. The 3 is a variable value, we write y, 10x plus y. Reverse of the number means x plus 10y. Difference of these two digits 9x minus 9y. So now this one is 36. 9 into x minus y value is 36. 9 1 ja, 9 4 ja. X minus y is 4. But here is given that the difference between the sum or the difference between the digits of the number, if the ratio between the digits of the number is 2:1. So x is to y value is 2:1. That means x by y value is 2 by 1. X equal to 2y. So 2y minus y value is 4. Y equal to 4. Substitute y equal to 4. We get x value is 8. Now the question is, what is the difference between sum and difference of the digits of the number? Sum is 12. Difference is 4. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 is not there. So none of this is the answer. Next. Success discounts of P% and Q% on the catalog price of an article is equivalent to a single discount of. That formula is P plus Q minus PQ by 100%. Option number C is the right answer. Next. A train approaches a tunnel AB. Inside the tunnel, a cat located at a point that is 3/8 of the distance AB measured from the entrance A. When the train whistles, that cat runs. If the cat moves to the entrance of the tunnel A, the train catches the cat exactly at the entrance. If the cat moves to the exit B, the train catches the cat at exactly the exit. The speed of the train is greater than the speed of the cat by what order? Now here we see. This is tunnel. in this tunnel at some point cat is there. The distance is 3 by 8. 3 parts. This total distance will take some 8 meters. So this cat is there. The distance 3 meters or 3 kilometers. Total distance is 8 kilometers. This distance is 5 kilometers. So we take cat speed is some 1 kilometer per hour. Now here you see that this cat reaches entry point of this tunnel in 3 hours. So speed is 1 kilometer per hour means it reaches 3 hours. Exit, this is the entry point. It reaches exit point in 5 kilometers with the speed 1 kilometer per hour means in 5 hours. The difference of this timing is 2 hours. In this 2 hours, this train crosses this tunnel. Train crosses this tunnel. Now here you find the ratio between the speeds of cat and cat as well as train. So train speed equal to distance is 8 kilometers by 2 hours. Distance by time 4 kilometer per hour. So train speed is to cat speed equal to train speed is 4, cat speed is 1. 4 is to 1. 4 is to 1 is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. Next. Robin. The cook can cut either 120 carrots or 172 potatoes or 60 beetroots in 2 minutes. One day during the first K minutes, he spent an equal amount of time cutting each of the 3 types of vegetables. In the next K minutes, he cut exactly n carrots, n beetroots and n potatoes. If you cut a total of 282 vegetables during the first 2K minutes on the day, then what is the value of n? Now, here you see. Here 120 carrots, 72 potatoes, 60 beetroots in 3 minutes. That ratio is 12 10 ja, 12 6 ja 72, 12 5 ja. 10 is to 6 is to 5. Now in K 3 minutes, K by 3 minutes, equally cuts this carrots, potatoes, equal time spends for carrots, potatoes and also beetroots. Time is 1 by 10. Here K by 3 into 1 by 6. K by 3 into 1 by 5. K by 30, K by 18, K by 50. Now that ratio becomes K get cancelled. 6 5 ja, 6 3 ja, otherwise 5 6 ja, 3 10 ja, 3 10 ja, 3 6 ja, 3 5 ja. Now 6 5 ja 30 is to 50 is to 60. 0 0 0 get cancelled. Now that ratio becomes 3 is to 5 is to 6. In the next K minutes, He cut exactly n carrots, n beetroots, and n potatoes. In next k minutes, he cuts n carrots, n beetroots, and n potatoes. In first k minutes, they cut 3x plus n plus 5x plus n plus 6x plus n equal to, that count is 282. Now 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 6, 14x plus 3n equal to 282. Now here you see that 3 into, substitute these values, substitute the small value, 3 into 45, 135 plus 14 into 282, 14 to 10, 140. 140 plus 135, 285. Approximately equal. So let's check another value. 75. 3 into 75, 225. Remaining value is, how much is there? 56, 57, 57 plus 25. So this is not equal. So this one is equal. So 45. So 45 is the right answer. How many kilograms of rice worth 25 rupees per kilo must be mixed with 30 kilos of rice worth 30 rupees per kilo, so that by selling the mixed variety of 30 rupees per kilo, there should be a gain of 10%. So 25 rupees per kilo. But here we don't know that number of kilos, 25 into x plus 30 into 30. So on this one, you will get 10% profit, means 110% equal to 30 rupees kilo, 30 kilos one thing, another thing is x kilos, 30 plus x, 25x plus 900 into 110 equal to 30 into 100, 3000 into 30 plus x. 1 5 is 55, 11 2 is 22, 27, 27, 50 x 99 000, 3 3 is 9, 4 zeros plus 3000 x. Send that value this side, we get 250x. We set this value from this and that side, we get 9000. 0 0, it cancel. 25 1 ja, 25 3 is 75. Carry 15, 150, 25 6 ja, 36 kilos. Option number A is the right answer. Next, a person sold his watch for 56 rupees and got a percent of profit equal to cost price. Find the cost price of the watch. So we assume cost price is some x. So profit percent is also x. Selling price is 56. selling price equal to formula is cost price into 100 plus profit divided by 100. Now 5600 equal to x into x square plus 100x. So x square plus 100x minus 5600 equal to 0. Now find roots. 5600 now find this one. 45 into 55. 45 plus 55, 100. Now is 50 into 150. So 55, 75. And also 45 into 145. 40, 140 into 40, 14 4 5600. So 140, 40. So 140 is plus, 40 is minus. So here we get 140 is minus, 40 is plus. So always this cost price is positive. So 40 is the right answer. Option number B is the right answer. Next. At Narmada Sarovar Bachao demonstration support MS Patkar outnumbered the police by 9:1. The police arrested 135 NSB supporters, averaging 6 for every 4 policemen. How many supporters of NSB were there in the demonstration? So 135, this 135, 6 out of 4 is there. So 6 for every 4 policemen, 4 out of 6. So from 2 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja 12, carry 1 550. So 45 into 2, 90. The ratio is 9:1. So 9 part 1 part value is 90. 9 parts value is 810. Here the question is how many supporters of NSP were there in the demonstration? 810 is there. So answer is none of this. Next. A candidate is required to answer 6 out of 10 questions which are divided into 2 groups each containing 5 questions and he is not permitted to attempt more than 4 and 1 from each group. In how many ways can he take his choice? Section A, section B. Here 1, 3, 2, 2, 6 out of 10 questions he required to answer. So 1, at least 2, 2, 4, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 2. So 5C2 into 5C4 plus 5C3 into 5C3 So here from 5 we write 2. Here from 5 we write 4 plus 5C4 into 5C2. 5C2 value is 10. 5C4 value is 5. 10 into 10. 5 into 10. 100. 50. 50. 200. So option number D is the right answer. Next. 50 men or 24 women or 36 boys can do a work in 12 days working 8 hours a day. In how many men must be associated with 12 men and 6 boys to another work, 2 1 by 4 times the original work in 30 days working 6 hours per day. 15 men, they do one work in 12 days with 8 hours per day. 15 men is to 24 men is to 36 boys. Now 3 5 ja, 3 8 ja 24, 3 12 ja. So 5 is to 12, 8 is to 12 is the combination of this one. So 5 men equal to 8 men. 5 men equal to 12 boys. Now the question is X men plus 12 men plus 6 boys, they complete in how many days that work? So convert all these values into boys. So 5 men equal to 12 boys. So here X men we don't know. So 36 here actually 15, 24, 36. So 36 by 15. X plus 18 plus 6 boys. We convert all this into boys. It's equal to this value is 36x 15 plus 24. This value is boys. The original work is 36 boys into 12 days into 8 hours. Now here is given, here we find new work. New work equal to 2 1 by 4 means 9 by 4 into 36 into 12 into 8 is equal to 8748 boys. Now here we observe that 36x by 15 plus 24 boys equal to 8748 into 30 hours, 30 days into 6 hours equal to 8748. Now 36x by 15 plus 24 into 30 into 6. Otherwise you cancel this one. 3 10 ja, 3 2 ja, 6, 3 9 ja 27, 3 1 ja 3 6 ja. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja 24, carry 5 51, 6 8 ja 48, 6 6 ja 36. 2 5 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. So this one cancel. Here 5 into 5 equal to 243. 36 into 5. Otherwise 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja. 33 1 ja, 3 12 ja. 12x. 12x plus 120. Here we send that one from the side we get 243 minus 120, remaining is 123. So approximately we get x value is some 10. So 10 is the right answer. So x value is 10 point something means 10. Next, a man travels 3/5 of a distance AB at a speed 3 and the remaining at a speed 2b. If he goes from B to A and returns at a speed 5c in the same time, then which of the following is true? So first here, C be the midpoint between A and B. So the first to find the time taken to AC. AC is 3 by 5 into x by this total distance is 3. Similarly, the time taken to CB. CB is remaining distance is 2 by 252 x by 5 by 2b. This value is x by 5b. 2 get cancelled. Here also 3 get cancelled. X by 5a. Now the time taken from BA and AB. BA and AB. AB is, that is the total distance is 2x by 5c. And also here is given that the time taken to AC and CB x by 5a plus x by 5b equal to 2x by 5c. 2x by 5c. So in all these x get cancelled, 5 get cancelled, 1 by a equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b equal to 2 by c. Option number C is the right answer. Next. Ajay sold some chocolates at 35 rupees for chocolate and gained 40% on it. What should be the selling price of each chocolate to get 60% profit? So 40% profit means 140% value is 35 rupees. So what is the value of 160%? 35 1 ja, 35 4 ja. 440 times is 160. Here 1 into 40 is 40. 40 rupees is the selling price of petrol. Next. A bookstore, modern bookstore, is flashed using a neon lights. The words are individually flashed at intervals 5 by 2, 17 by 4, 41 by 8 seconds, respectively. And each one is put off after a second. After a second means we add one more second. The last time after which the full name of the bookstore can be read again is. So timing, so in any problem, the timing questions comes, automatically we use LCM. LCM of 5 by 2 plus 1, 17 by 4 plus 1, 41 by 8 plus 1. It's equal to LCM of 5 plus 2, 7, 7 by 2, 21 by 4, 49 by 8. LCM of this one is 49. HCF is 2. 49 by 2. 49, 98, I think, 98. But 9 is not divisible by 21. So 49 2 is 98. 49 3 27 before the 12 41 47 21 7 147. So 147 divided by 2. 2 7 is 14, 2 3 is 73 something, 73.5. Option number B is the right answer. Next. And commonly, dance of Arunachal Pradesh. Dance of Arunachal Pradesh, 8 persons from a circular group. In a Republic Day parade, a group from Arunachal Pradesh consisting of Kavita, Lakshmi, Mundi, Naini, Oliver, Pallavi, Tunisi, Rehana presented in this dance. All of them were related to one another, due to which there was some constraints as to who would be blessed whom. Lakshmi, Mundi, Nani, the only 3 women in the group, have to be side by side. Lakshmi, Mundi, Nani. Mundi and Olive have to be farthest from each other, and Quincy and Kavita would have at least 3 others between them. Quincy and Kavita, at least 3 members. Totally, how many members is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 members in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 3 members side by side. Lakshmi, Mundi, and Neena. Rehana is placed between Oliver and Quincy. So Oliver and Quincy. Mundi and Oliver have to be farthest from each other. Mundi and Oliver. Rehana is placed between Oliver and Quincy. Oliver and Quincy. Pallavi will be placed between Oliver and Kavita. So Pallavi placed here. Next, find the smallest number such that if its rightmost digit is placed at its left hand, the new number so formed is precisely 50% larger than the original number. Now, see options. First, to see least value. Least value is 285174. So that is converted to 28517. The smallest number such that its rightmost digit is placed at its left end. The new number so found precisely 50% larger than the original number. So this is not a 50% larger than this one. So now here 428571. So this is a 50% larger than almost all this one. So option number D is the right answer. Next. Qualification of 100 students based on the marks obtained by them in physics and chemistry in an examination, marks out of 50. The number of students scoring less than 40% marks in aggregate is 40 and above, here 40%. So in this 50, 40% means 50 into 40%, 40 by 100. 5 was 28. So 28 and above. So here the number of students scoring less than 40% marks in aggregate, less than 40%. So all these are persons less than 40. So 100, 192, 172, 272, 181, 66, 247, 73, 73, 87, 160, 260, 9, already average 100, aggregate 73, 87, 73 plus 87 plus 100. 260. 260 by 3. 1 there, 324. Qualification of nations based on the metrics 0 and above, 10 and above, 20 and above, 40% marks in aggregate is. So here also I can see total 100 members is there. We will subtract this 32 by 41, 21, 4, 25, 25, 41, 66. Remaining is below that marks 66. 66 means remaining 34. 34 is equal to 27. So 27 is the right answer. Next, in the community, already we did this problem. Lakshmi, Munni, Naini. Munni and Wali have to first test. Quincy and Kavita should be at least 3 others between them. Nani is placed opposite to Pallavi. Opposite to Pallavi. And between Quincy and Munni. Quincy and Munni. Then which of the following should be opposite to each other? The 8 members. Okay, let's see. L, M, N, Q, otherwise K, Q. Now, here the question is, N is placed opposite to Pallavi. So here Pallavi. Quincy and Munni. Between Quincy and Munni. Quincy and Munni. Then which of the following should be opposite to each other? Munni, Quincy, Lakshmi and Rahana, Oliver and Pallavi, Oliver and Rahana, Oliver and Pallavi, Pallavi and Rahana. So maybe chance is there, Lakshmi and Rahana. So option number B is the right answer. Next, fill in the blank with suitable answer. Here find differences 10, 14, 23, 37, 6, 56. Again differences 4, 9, 14, 19. Here plus 5, plus 5, plus 5. So we add plus 5, 24. 24 means here 60, 80. 60, 80 added to this one, we get 223. So option number B is the right answer. Next. In certain code, together is written as RQ, EG, RJ, CT. In the same code, parallel will be written as T2R or ST minus 2. Next, O, PQ plus 2. E, EFG minus 2, minus 2 and plus 2. P, P minus 2. N, O, N. So N plus 2, C minus 2. P plus 2, O, P, Q minus 2, J, K, J plus 2, F, G. So option number C is the right answer. This is also same problem. If Lakshmi to be immediate left of Quincy, then Munni should be immediate right of. Lakshmi is immediate left of Quincy. Munni should be immediate right of. So here Munni and Oliver have furthest from each other, and also here Lakshmi, Munni, Naini. Munni, Naini. Immediate right of Naini. Munni should be immediate right of Kavita or Munni or Naini. We'll see only. Munni or Naini. Next. This is 340, 341. Otherwise, 2 into 3 power 1, 1 into 3 power 0, 3 into 3 square, 3 into 3 cube, 3 into 3 power 4. 3 power 4 value is 81 into 3, 243. 1 into 3 4 0, 2 into 3 3 into 3 square, 4 into 3 cube, 5 into 3 4 4, 9 9 1, 9 into 4, 27 into 4, 81 into 3 3 is 9 9 is 81 into 5, 5 40, 405. Option number A is the right answer. Next question. Number of candidates appeared and qualified in the competitive examination from different states over the years. The percentage of total number of qualified candidates to the total number of appeared candidates among all the states in 1999 is. The percentage of total number of qualified candidates. This one. 0, 5, 8, 13, 22, 24, 31. So once again, 5, 8, 13, 22, 24, 29, 3, 2, 5, 14, 22, 22, 31, 39, 4, 4990 divided by 0, 0, 0, 8, 16, 23, 31, 12, 20, 27, 35, 42. 42100 into 100. So this value is approximately 5,000. This is 42,000. 5 1 5 8 into 100. 8 1 8. 3 2 0 20. Again 8 2 that means approximately 11.14%, 0.11184. So option number A is the right answer. Next one. Select the appropriate geometrical figure which will follow the same relationship as the shown by the previous two. Now here we see. Here first this leaf is there, make like this. This leaf is there, make 3 leaves. 1, 4 leaves. Here first this one. So first one is bended here. Next one here also bended. Option number 1 is the right answer. Next, qualification of 100 students based on marks obtained by them physics and chemistry and examination marks out of 50. It is known that at least 23 students were eligible for a symposium on chemistry. Then the minimum qualified marks in chemistry for eligible to symposium would lie in the range 23 in chemistry. So 21 plus 4. 21 plus 4. 25. Here 23 members they selected. So 32, 40. Otherwise 22, 40 is the right answer. Option number 1 is the right answer. Next, if stone is quoted as brick, brick as sand, sand as temple, temple as heaven, then where do you worship? Temple, temple means here 7. Option number D is the right answer. Next. The following table gives the percentage of marks obtained by 7 students in 6 different subjects in an examination. The numbers in the brackets given the maximum marks in each subject. What is the overall percentage of Tarun? So overall percentage of Tarun 60, 65 less 35 plus 50 less 77 plus 80 plus 80 divided by 280, 400, 500, 600 into 100. 160, 230, 307, 307, 100, 407, 407 by 600 into 100. 6 1 6 6 36 carry 447 68 approximately. So nearer value is 62. Option number D is the right answer. Next. Next question. Kishore goes to a restaurant and meets Sandhya, who is Kishore's wife, granddaughter's mother. Sandhya is Kishore's wife, granddaughter's mother. Kishore's wife, granddaughter's mother. Granddaughter's mother. Mother is Sandhya. Sandhya is daughter of these two persons. So daughter is the right answer. Option number A is the right answer. Thanks to everyone. I think everyone understood my shortcut methods. Please watch my videos. Please share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks to everyone.